I'm going to make some martinis, but I'm going to make what I like to call a filthy dirty martini, because I'm going to not just add olive brine, which would be a dirty martini, but I'm also going to add cornichon, little pickle gherkin brine, and cocktail onion brine. So it's going to be not just dirty, it's going to be filthy dirty. Anyway, so...
I don't even know what to say about that. So filthy dirty means your eyes will probably be swollen shut tomorrow between the salt and the brine and the actual alcohol. But that's okay, right?
Why not? So what I'm making is, other than all the...
Ice on your eyes in the morning. Cold water bath.
Other than all the dirtiness, I'm making a very, very classic martini, which is 1.5 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of vermouth, dry vermouth, and not a lot of people know this, but in a classic martini, you always add a dash of orange bitters.
Says who?
Says the guys who invented the martini, whoever they might be.
Okay.
And then
Who knew?
I already pre-measured all my brines. So I'm gonna put that in there.
See, I would make that so differently. I would start with a glass full of brine, salty vinegar,
We can always adjust and
add some cold
what you would do
gin and vermouth.
is you would actually make the martini in this, in our pickle jar, our olive jar.
Probably, I'm a very salty gal.
Anyway, so a classic martini is also always stirred, so it looks nice and clear and not like bubbly or cloudy.
But it's supposed to be filthy.
Well, it's filthy, trust me.
No, but like it's supposed to look dirty.
Well, let me finish it, please. I'm going to
I'm
add,
the backseat driver of martinis.
now I'm going to add our garnish, which will make it look nice and pretty. There you go.
It's supposed to look filthy.
Well, it'll make you feel filthy.
Oh, that's better.
No.